Okay, a real quick lesson on lofting. And so this allows you to kind of morph one shape into another. You can even do it with a square to a circle or a rectangle to a hexagon. In this case, we're actually morphing a small triangle into a larger triangle. So this is when you're not just extruding one shape the same width all the way down the same size. You're actually morphing and extruding from one shape to a different shape at the end. So in this case, you've got a triangle, small triangle on one side of your um, block, and on the other side you've got a larger triangle. So basically what we want to do is to morph between those two. So the loft tool is pretty neat. I call it my transformer tool because it transforms from one shape to another. So if you click on loft, it's simply asking for the profile. So your first profile will be this triangle on this side. And then it says, what is the face of sketch 2? So you're going to turn this over and you're going to select face 2. Notice it makes a connection between each of the two faces. However, it's red, which means it's trying to add material. You actually want to take away material because you've already got material there. So you just need to simply click on remove and then click on check mark. And there you go. You've got your loft tool where it's taken and cut between your parts from one small triangle to the large triangle, and you've done your lofting successfully.